It's day 3 of Operation Backhoe in the Holler. The swale is done. Now it looks like a mud slick, huh? This is pretty exciting stuff. We have a couple little things to touch up by shovel here and lots of clay hunks, but the outdoor shower, which has some stuff stored in it and won't anymore, drains right there and goes all the way down the hill. In addition, the water coming around the side, that's really the impetus for the swale, not the shower. So we have that. Then we tested the water here coming out of this downspout, and it still kind of goes over there. But then we scraped here, and I think it's going to go down the hill. So this all goes down. The ditch down there is full. Piles of rock on the parking lot were put in. The foundation for the greenhouse was done yesterday. Pig pit. It's dug, it's flattened, we have gravel. We'll put cinder block here when we start building it, and then sides. And I think I might make a nice pizza oven out here. You know, our fire roasted whatever, or I can bake bread outside. You can see the water still pooling right there. We're going to have to come in with shovels in this little area and just kind of break it loose, and then it just flows downhill. We may get some river rock in. And then something I'm looking forward to tomorrow morning is my path to the chicken coop. Look, they put rock in. And the water main, the cabin is buried. So we could have actually done 2 or 3 more days of work with that backhoe here, but we're all kind of tired, and I think we'll wait a while and have it out again. We'll give you some before and after pictures when we get grass. And we have a guest appearance, Tigger.